Let's do another nasty attack. Is the .NET CLR Profile Hijacking, another example of DLL hijacking. So let's go to the systems, and to make the video shorter, I already downloaded the mylove.exe. I have it here, and I downloaded the mylove.dll as we did in the previous video, and have it on the download directory. What we're going to be doing next is we're going to compromise the machine without any special privilege. We are running mylove.exe to open a session. Say that we are somewhere in the world, and we're going to go interactively into that session as we've done many times already. Interactive 1, and we're going to ask for a shell, and we're going to execute these registry commands. Let me put those on the clipboard. And as you see, it requires the mylove.dll to be in a downloads directory. And whenever, if I run group edit or computer management or event viewer, which are processes that has high privilege, then I'm going to be hijacking the DLL because it's going to grab my DLL instead of the official one from Microsoft, and I'm going to have full privileges. Okay, so those commands completed successfully. We can even close this session abruptly here to demonstrate that we have achieved persistency in a big time. Put the password. We prepare the attack as we've done very many times. Let's see if I did this right. Well, we don't need to show you this anymore. If I run event viewer, bang, I got a session open here. Let's go into that session. Interactive 2. Let's get system to escalate privileges. We did. Let's do a hash dump. And that's good. Let's go again. Let's get some passwords. So load kiwi, creds_all. We see the password right there. So this works. Let's clear the logs. Clear EV. Okay. Let's actually see how much of this attack QRadar was able to see. In fact, I forgot to mention that when I did the first compromised mylove.exe, QRadar detected that. When I set the registry, QRadar detected that, but I didn't show it. But you've seen me in previous videos showing those things already. So let's refresh the console here. And I'm running some other things, so I'm gonna, all these things has nothing to do with what we are recording. So let me pause the video and clean that up and stay only with this event, which is from the machine 229. Again, my apologies for that. When we enter in here, we have 32 events, and probably we will get more if we allow this some time. Let's see. Well, actually, no, we got even the clear of the Windows Event Viewer that we did, the previous escalation, you know, all those things. Notice that here is the usage of that specific type of attack. Here's where we set up the registry by putting the pointers to a higher hive, which was ours. So, and here's where he detected that thing actually triggered. So as you can see, you don't need, again, all these things to be done. Any one of these techniques, or any one of the almost 300 rules that this package contain, is enough for detecting that somebody subverted your defenses somehow and got into the core of your system. And this is particularly nasty because we were able to escalate privilege without bypassing the UAC or doing any of those things that we have done in other attacks.